I remember the phone call, 9:15, when you said this can't be. You started to cry, and I could tell by your actions and words that you'd spoke that you lost someone close. Your heart was half broken. You know, my God, do you do this out of love? When you hold them in your arms and you take them away from us. You left us here alone, your old house just to show, like a crab in the sea. You moved on to another world. You know a few things like you're terribly missed. And the whole time in the hospital I kept thinking this, that oh my God, how can you do this out of love? When you hold them in your arms and you take them away from us. Well, I finally broke down and I started to cry. I said, was heaven not full enough? Was that your reason why I didn't wipe my tears? I let them dry like salt on my eyes. So all out of answers appear crumbling from the inside. But I tried to be strong and be brave for you, but I'm just a man, just as torn up as you. But I promise when you wake that everything will be fine. When you wake the next morning, your heart will beat in time, and you'll say, oh my God, you do this out of love. When you hold them in your arms and you take them away from us. And I hope when it's my time that you can wake me from my sleep and say it's time to go, child. But no, I won't weep, I'll say make sure that they know this, more importantly than others, that I was a good son, husband, father, and brother. And I want you to be there when they talk to the doctors, when they think all is lost, that you help them discover that heaven won't be full until all of us are there. When we're all together, for now just share with them that oh my God, you do this out of love. When you hold them in your arms and you take them away from us, just say that oh my God, you do this out of love.